Hi everyone, it's Regina here. I am an online digital business owner and I use social media to work full-time in this journey of being an onliner. So for people out there who is wondering why an online digital business, our business setup is the ultimate portable business. So this is how convenient is this. You basically have an office, a complete office in a portable cellular phone. Everything that you need in running a business is basically with one simple tool. But in our business, we want to and recommend that you have a laptop and internet connection, of course, anywhere you are because we are online. So in our setup, you can start a business using a cellular phone, a laptop, and internet connection. And we will gonna provide you everything you need completely in a box. It's basically a complete ready to go business that you can do. So right now I can say my business is a complete business in a box. I can do my business anywhere I go as long as I have my cellular phone and my internet connection. And I can run my business anywhere I go as long as I have my cellular phone and internet connections. In fact, I have done this when I was in Philippines. I've done running my business when I was traveling in Japan. I done run my business when I was attending a convention in Calgary. So our business setup is complete. Everything you need is already in there. So we're gonna provide you with complete, already done website. We're gonna give you a complete, already tested and proven working system and email campaign. And we're also going to provide you the marketing strategies that you need, how to run your business successfully. So this business is complete and ready to go. It's basically copy and paste. So we have put everything, the skeleton of the business, and we have already built up the system of the business. So all you need to do is to set up your account and invest in your business partnership franchise with us so that you too can earn and start your online business. So we're going to give you a complete business ready to go in your pocket that you can run and set up your office anywhere you go. All you need is a laptop, a cellular phone, internet connection, and you are ready to set your own online business.